What's going on, guys? Shanos here. Welcome to this section 2. I'm absolutely excited to have you on this section because in this one we're going to cover more advanced stuff and we're going to get into really interesting stuff that you can use to actually build more complicated Python programs. We're going to go beyond just displaying text and replacing it and stuff like that. So in this section we're going to talk about data types, converting data types, which is like pretty interesting stuff, and we're going to talk about numbers, operators, and f strings and stuff like that to help you to really give more logic to your programs and build really interesting things. And at the end of this section, we're going to create a really fun project, which is a tip calculator. It's going to allow you to essentially get data from a few users and turn it to a calculator where it's going to tell you how much each person needs to pay like for a bill or something in a restaurant. So again, it's pretty cool, and as you see, we're putting all this stuff to use so you can see exactly how these skills that you're learning here are going to be used in action. So I'm absolutely excited because this one is really going to open your knowledge on Python. And pretty much when you learn this stuff, I would say like 50% of everything you need to learn about Python is pretty much right here on the section 2. All right, so it's really important to learn it, and after this section you're gonna have a pretty good knowledge of Python, and everything else that comes after is kind of a bonus, and it's just you expanding your knowledge. So it's really exciting. I'm really excited that we're getting here because you're gonna be a very good Python programmer by this section. All right, guys, let's get it started and let's talk about data types.